Hi guys, it's Molly from Nookal. Did you know that you can connect your diary from within Nookal to an external calendar such as Outlook or Apple iCalendar using our calendar feed tool? Let me show you how quick and easy it is to set up and to use. To set this up, all you'll need to do is enable the calendar feed tool in your staff profile, copy the feed URL and save changes. Then, in your external calendar, you can simply plug in the Nookal feed URL, set your preferences, and just like that, you'll be able to access your appointments, notes, and events without having to log into your account. Nookal's calendar feed allows you to stay on top of your schedule, integrates your work and life events more efficiently, and saves you time and effort so that you can focus on taking care of your clients and your business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you press the like button. This helps us to know what topics you want to see more of. And if you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.